today I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts, my experience, my first impressions with CauseBox. This is my very first CauseBox. I actually had a FabFitFun subscription for, I'd want to say about 2 years, and this is my very first CauseBox. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. I am from Canada, so this box did cost me about $86 Canadian. Quite expensive, but I want to share with you my thoughts, my experience. I wasn't sure if I was going to do this video, but I had a few comments in my vlog saying I should post this, and you'll get it in the video. So anyway, like I was saying, this is about $86, and I didn't sign up for the year because I didn't know if I wanted to spend the money, and it is a little bit expensive in my opinion. For myself personally, it's a little bit expensive, so I decided to just get the one box, and I forgot it auto-renewed, so actually I paid for the spring box. I hope that the spring box is a little bit better than this box. I believe this is the winter box. I think it's the winter box. I purchased it in January, and I got this about a month ago. I've been holding on to this box for about a month now, so I finally want to go through it with you. This is how I got the box. There was quite a bit of tape. It was really beaten up. It really did not look very impressive at the first go, and normally with FabFitFun boxes, I've never had a box that looked like super unimpressive or very taped or anything like that. I don't know if this got searched at the border. Normally if it gets searched, like, you can tell, or there's a paper, or it'll say it on its tracking or something, and it didn't. So I don't know, but all I know is this box just was not very pleasing to the eye at first, and normally with these boxes I like to use them to re-gift things, use as organization, or if I'm sending something out, let's say to a family member, I will use a box like this. Like, I will reuse these boxes, but this one I just feel like it's not one that I could reuse, and it's not one that I would feel good to give to someone else. So anyway, this box will probably just be like clothing and odds and ends that I'll give to my sisters. Like, I'll put them in this box. The artwork, I have to say though, is really nice, and the actual images are very nice. Like, I will give them that. When I opened up my CauseBox for the very first time, this is what it looked like, okay? I had no postcard. I had no booklet. There was no like paper or anything, just so you know. I didn't have anything like that. Let's talk about the items. The very first thing that I got were these reusable zip pouches, a set of 5. It's from boonsupply.com, designed in the USA, made in China. I really do like using reusable Ziploc baggies. I use them all the time, so I was really happy to see these in here, because they do seem like they are going to be really nice. So you get a set of 5, you get 2 like this, you have one that's like a bigger square, and then you have 2 smaller ones. So you do get 5. So I was really happy to get these, and I'm really happy to have these. I will never say no to extra Ziploc baggies, especially if they're reusable. I haven't purchased Ziploc baggies in a year, believe it or not. It's been a year since I've purchased some. The next item that I got, which I think it won CauseBox a few more brownie points, because if you watch my channel, you're gonna know as soon as I say this. It came with white marble coasters. White marble, there we go. So automatically you know that this is going to make me a little bit happier about the box, because it came with white marble something, right? White marble coasters. I can use them anywhere. So these are the coasters. They're actually really nice. Just simple white marble coasters, so I can use these for anywhere really. I do like them. They are very nice quality, and I like how they have like little stoppers on the bottom of them. Now these are from Zeal Living. There are 4 in here. So the coasters I really like. The Ziploc baggies I really like. I was really happy about. So it did kind of take my mind away from the packaging. No postcard, no booklet, because I did get 2 things that if I were to go to the store, I would actually pick up. But the last item that I got in the box, I was a little bit more disappointed with. when I got my kettle, it was not packaged very nicely. It was just kind of all like thrown in here. I really hope that this video doesn't come across like I'm nitpicky or I'm complaining. I just want to share with you my personal experience. That's all. If you've had a good experience with CauseBox, I am happy because I don't want someone spending the money and not being happy with what they get. I am just sharing with you my experience, what I got on here. This is a Rose and Fitzgerald gold brush kettle. I got the kettle, and I don't know if everybody's is like this. I just found that the top of it, the lid of it looks really, really scratched, and even the handle looks scratched, and it's just like on the inside. Even the bottom of it looks scratched, like it almost looks like it was beaten up. And I know that it's supposed to be like a hand brushed gold item, but it just seems like, I don't know. Like, I don't know if everybody else's was like this, but even on the inside, it just looks like there's like marks on the inside. And the only thing that I could think of is if I get this kettle hot, this is probably going to get really, really warm. That's what I'm thinking. I really don't see a use for myself using this kettle. So I was a little bit disappointed with this. It just looks almost like an antique. That's almost how you would explain it, like a used antique almost. But then I realized I was also missing 3 items in the box. So I had to message them, and then after they finally got back to me, they sent out my other 3 products, which took quite a few weeks to get here, and they're back here. Still no postcard, still no booklet. So I ended up getting the Skin & Co. Aroma Truffle Therapy Toner. So this I'll try. So I will try this out in my skincare routine, and I will see how it is. Is this something I would go out of my way for and get? Probably not. I'm still more excited about the reusable Ziploc bags and the marble coasters, but this is like, okay, I don't have to pay for a toner. Cool. The next item was actually the 2021 planner, and it includes daily calendars, monthly calendars, year at a glance, note pages, goal tracking, inspirational quotes, sticker pages, and it is a nice calendar on the inside. The only thing is I already have mine, so I don't really need this. I may give it away, or I may just keep it for like YouTube. It is a really, really nice calendar. I do wish that I would have gotten it a little bit earlier, because when I was actually at Michael's purchasing mine, I did think, what if I get this planner? But it was taking a while for the box to come in that I bought one anyway. So anyway, I may keep this. I may gift it to someone. I am not sure yet, but I did get a planner. And the last item is the Attitude, I believe is what it is. It's the bamboo pillowcase, and I believe this is like a travel pillowcase which comes with a pouch so you can bring it with you. This is a really beautiful color. It is like my color, and it's a beautiful material. I think it's like a silk or a satin type of material. A lot of loose threads on it, but it is really nice and really pretty. So this is made from 100% organic bamboo. Happy about this because, like I was saying, this is my color, this is my material. So I do really, really like this a lot. So let's put aside how long it took to come here, the packaging, no postcard, and no like booklet. Would I be happy with the items? I would feel like it was okay for $86, but I don't feel like it's a box that I need. I had an auto subscription. The spring subscription went through, and I actually canceled my subscription after that because I didn't want to keep paying for boxes if they're not going to be boxes that I love. So I will get the spring box. I'm hoping for the best. Like, I do really hope that the spring box is a little bit better. My channel's based on honesty, and if this was really not impressive to me and I felt like I really needed to cancel my subscription, I gotta tell you that because I know there's a lot of other people who want to try CauseBox and maybe from Canada and don't know. So like I said, out of everything, the marble coasters, the reusable Ziploc baggies are something that I would purchase from the store maybe for $20 each, let's say. The pillowcase, for one single pillowcase, I'll be honest with you, maybe $10 at the most. For a pillowcase, that's just myself, you know, for one single pillowcase, like 10 bucks, okay? So, I would not buy the gold kettle. I would not go out of my way for a toner. Like, I just shopped the Sephora VIB sale, and I even said no to skincare because I've got a skincare routine that works, and the planner, I already have one. So I also want to throw out there that I am very, very minimal, and I am very intentional with what I buy and use. So maybe it's just that subscription boxes are not my thing anymore. Maybe I don't need subscription boxes. Maybe I would rather just spend $20 on a very nice body scrub or $20 on a really nice hair mask rather than buying a box of random stuff. Maybe that's that. So I don't want to say that CauseBox was no good, don't buy from them. All I'm saying is we will find out for the spring box. So if you want to see how my spring box goes, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when I upload that video. I will try and do, like, as soon as I get the box, I'll let you guys know. We can open it together unless there's items that are missing or something like that. So I am happy that I finally came on here and talked to you guys about it. Again, if you like CauseBox and you've had good experiences, I am so happy because that means that you are getting the most out of your money, you are enjoying it, it is a good purchase for you. That is great. All I'm doing is coming on here and sharing my first impression, my first thoughts, and my first experience with CauseBox. I will see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.